Where have we been? What's been going on? Why has Rise 3D Builds not been posting anything? Well, we're going to talk about that today in this channel update, and also where we're going forward. Is the channel going to go on? Is it going to stay live? What's going to happen? Well, join me inside. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So let's address the elephant in the room. What's been going on? Why ain't you been here, Mike? What the heck, man? Well, we've been very busy lately. And with that busy comes busy more family, home. The important thing is always family. And we've had some things crop up. We had some situations that just honestly required me not to be posting, that I didn't have time to post. And there for a long time, I didn't even have a workshop. So it has been a long set of months, a long trial. 2025 has definitely been a trial for us. And, you know, it all kind of goes back to even the beginning of the year. Many of you know that have followed this channel for a while. We had a beautiful baby girl back in September of 2024. She's happily 1 year old now, growing up great, doing healthy, doing great. But with kids comes time requirements. And yeah, that's kind of where a lot of time got sucked into. And I just didn't have time to be here, didn't have time to build a model and to take that time and talk. And we got kind of where we were more product oriented instead of, you know, building cool stuff. And I think that kind of burned me out in trying to do it, because here I am talking about a product. Yeah, product was useful. Was I using the product? Yes. But, you know, it's just kind of one of those things that it just became pitchy. We're selling this, we're selling this. That's not the point of this channel. And I didn't like that. And it made me not want to record. And many of you who've done this or have tried to do this, not wanting to record is kind of a big problem and a big thing to overcome. And, you know, I'm fighting that now. Then in April last year, I lost my job, my day job. So put a strain on the family, but not one that we couldn't handle. And we worked through, and actually Megan received a really interesting job offer. And it was one of those things we couldn't let it pass by. Megan's career is such a unique role and such a difficult role in the world of just veterinary medicine that she had to take it. And that put us into another roller coaster. And it required us to pick up and move from our home in Savannah to Miami. So you guys can imagine, you've seen prior videos of my older print shops. Trying to take a 30 printer print shop and move it 500 miles is not a small task. Not to mention moving our home, moving our kids, and all of that just was a huge task that we undertook. And we made the decision that I wasn't going to go back to work. I wasn't going to work. I was going to focus on getting our house sold, getting everything moved, and rebuilding my business here in Miami. And that's been a long process. Getting our old house sold in Savannah took a while. We had some hiccups getting here to Miami, and then more hiccups getting our equipment here that it just kind of really hurt us. And it slowed things down, and what we thought was going to be a move process that was going to take about 2 months has dragged into 5 months. But I'm happy to report at the time of this video going out, the new print shop is almost finished. And we will be having a shop tour as soon as I get some more of the ventilation system installed. We downsized printers. I think I'm down at like 20 now, I think is what I decided is a good size, because I just had too many and I couldn't take care of it all by myself. And we weren't really at a business size to hire someone in to help me doing printing. So we kind of just had a halt on that realm, which was unfortunate, because, you know, that is things I enjoy doing. But I've also really gotten back into the builds, the paints, You guys can see the Warhammer in the cabinet behind me here. And we're going to start seeing some of that. So that's why I haven't been here. You know, family first. And this move, having the little one and everything, and then just, you know, kind of dealing with the job loss and making sure our family was financially secure is key to anything. Now, Mike, your 3D print shop should have helped with that. And yeah, my 3D printing shop and my painting and all that helps us with our financial stability. But when I broke it down, my time was more important to my family at that time. So that's where I've been. Where are we going? Here's the important part. Where are we going? Is Rise 3D Builds coming back? Yes. As this video released, there's also a weekly video coming back out. We are getting back on the weekly videos at least till the end of 2025. If things keep going well, we may step up to 2 videos. Now that the little one is sleeping, live streams are coming back. We're gonna start doing the live streams again. Why are we doing the live streams again? Because I like sitting talking to you guys while I build cool stuff. One of the things I'm working on is Wicked 3D just released the new Master Chief bust. You can bet your butt I'm printing that. And it is printing right now as we speak, as I record this video. So I'm looking forward to actually painting that live with you guys. I have a Gundam model build. I have a bunch of Gundam model builds I want to do on the channel with you guys. Getting your input, getting as we build up new things. Adding in 3D printing. We're going to be doing terrains, dioramas. We're going to be doing starship builds. There's going to be Warhammer painting. I've still got a Warlord Titan I got to build. I've had that thing for like 3 years. I need to build it. And that's what we're going to start doing. That's what we're going to start seeing of. You may just get a video put out there of me just building a model. Because a lot of these Warhammer models, you build them, you prime them, you paint them. You may just get me sitting there building 20 of a box. Who knows? Just like working with this Gundams. The Gundams are going to be a lot of fun. They're going to be a lot of fun, guys. And I'm going to make them fun because we're gonna do cool stuff. We're not just going to be a pristine Gundam built on a stand. No, we're dioramaing these suckers. They're going to be fighting. They're going to be doing stuff. Same with the starships. You know, we're going to look at putting lights in. We're going to make them cool. So hopefully you guys stay subscribed. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you were subscribed and left because I haven't been posting, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if there are certain things you want to see me do, because we're going to still talk 3D printing. We're still going to talk model building. We're still going to talk all this good stuff. I'm still going to show you new products that are going to help you do the process. And again, rise3dbuilds.com. My shop is out there of things that I sell. You guys are going to see videos of some of the stuff that I'm putting into the shop. Models that we've had commissioned or stuff I've even started designing. That's what I've been trying to do with my time sitting. Honestly, we had 2 weeks we were sitting in a hotel between the 2 houses because we had problems with the HOA here. So I spent time working on design schemes and how to make new products for me to sell and to make more revenue with less machines. So we got a lot of cool stuff coming. Yes, this is being a bit of a long-winded video, but I owed you guys an explanation. There's the explanation, what's been going on between family, burnout, move, job loss. It's been a wild ride this year. So now it's time to pick up the pieces. It's time to reorganize the business, start giving you guys content again, because you guys are what make this whole thing roll. If you're not a member, don't join until 2026. I'm reworking the membership tiers of the channel and making sure you guys are getting members get special stuff. But also, guys, remember that membership helps fund anything I do on this channel. So any help you guys want to offer, it's appreciated, because we're all here to build models. Whether I do it your way or I do it my way, or maybe we both learn something new. That's what live streams are for, is so you guys can say, hey, why don't you go check this video out and try this method? You know, that's what we're all here collectively trying to learn and do. So that was the entire point originally of launching this channel, as it is morphed through multiple things. So thank you guys. Hopefully you guys understand, you stick around. We're going to start doing some cool stuff, and go over and check out this week's video. Thanks, guys.